Hi, everybody. This is Professor Ford coming to you. For you online students, this is the first time you've ever seen me. So, yes, I am the man behind the curtain. And for my face-to-face students, well, you've had all you can probably handle. So, not exactly a treat for you. Well, the reason I'm coming to you in person, or at least as much in person as I can, is because of the way things are right now. I, you know, um, some words are overused to the point where they lose their meaning. They just uh, they don't mean anything. Crisis is one of those words, frankly. Most of the time, we hear the word crisis, and probably a better, more accurate word would be problem or challenge, something like that. But right now, we really are in a crisis, and in the traditional meaning of the word. And in a crisis, things change. The rules change. And now, I would wager that most of you are probably just going along pretty much as you were before this pandemic. But I also know that some of you, at least, have been hit pretty hard. Some have lost their jobs, some have had to move, their lives have been turned upside down. Now, to you, um, I just want to say the last thing you want to do is panic and feel desperate or throw your hands up and quit. Like I said, in a crisis, the rules change, and there are some things we can do. We can alter due dates. We can, at the very least, at the end of the semester, I can give you an incomplete, and that will allow you several more weeks to complete the course. So don't despair. Hang in there. Be wise. Be strong. Um, be healthy. And I'll talk to you later.